class 5th Maths. Now today in this class we will start with exercise 1.2 because in previous class we have completed our exercise 1.1. So let's start with exercise 1.2. Now question number 1 is arrange the digits of the following numbers in the international place value chart. Now before proceeding you have to learn the international place value chart which is on page number 74 of your book. Okay students, so first learn the international chart, draw it in your copy, then start exercise 1.2. Okay, so first question, arrange the digits in the international place value chart. Means we have to arrange these digits according to international place value chart. So first is 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is our first question. This is 1. Okay, now first arrange and make the international place value chart. So according to international place value chart, you have to first make a column. You have to first make a column like this. Okay students? This is international place value chart. Now first divide these columns in 3 part. Just divide it. Okay? So first is, now in this is ones place, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay? Okay students? So now arrange these digits of the number according to this. Now first is 8 which is at ones place. So write 8 here. Now again 7 which is at this place. So write 7 here. Then 6 which is at 100 place. So write 6 here. Then 5 which is at 1000 place. So write 5 here. Then 4. Then 3. Then 2. Then 0. Then 1. Okay? Okay students? I hope you understood this. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. This is according to international system. Okay? So, we have arranged these digits of the number according to international place value chart. This is our first question of 1.2. Now, I have done first part. Similarly, you have to done second and third part. Means second and third part are your homework. Just try to arrange the digits of the given number in the place value chart of international system. Okay? If you find any doubt in this, then you can ask me. So this completes our question number 1. Now let's proceed to question number 2. So question number 2 is, write the following numbers in figures and in words according to international system. Means you have to write the number name in figures and in words. So first is 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8 and then 7, 8. Now first in figures, just write it in figures. Okay? So I am writing here in figures. Now in figures, write the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8. Now, in our first class, I explained you that according to international system, we have to insert commas in which we start from this side, leave 3 digits, insert a comma, then leave 3 digits again and insert another comma. Okay students, this is according to international system. So in figures it is like this. Now also we have to write it in words. So in words, start from here. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Okay, so it is 23 million 23 million. After that, 456,000. 456,000. $878. So write here 878. Okay, this completes our first part of question number 2. Means you have to write this number in figures and in words. It is very easy. You also learnt it in class 4th. Okay student, to name a number you already learnt in class 4th. So you have to do like this. Now similarly, our second part, third part, fourth part. So I am doing one more part, that is 6th. Now the rest is homework for you. Okay? I am just doing one more part, 6th part. Now the rest is homework for you. So this is question number 2nd, 6th part. Okay? So 6th part is 2387942. 2387942. Okay? Now first you have to write it in figures. So write here in figures. Now in figures, first write the number and insert commas. 2387942. Start from here, leave 3 digits, insert 1 comma, then after leave 3 digits again and insert a comma again. Okay? So this is, in this way you insert a comma according to international system. Now in words, now start from here, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and after 100,000 it is million. Okay? So 2 million, 387,000 387,000 5 and 942. So it is 942. Okay, this completes our sixth part of question number second. Okay, students. So 1.2 first question and second question completed. Now let's proceed to C part. So question number C. Okay. Now C question says translate the following number names in figures. Means you have to translate these number name into figures. So first part of question is 41,414,104. Means 41 million. Okay, 41 million. So 41. This is our solution. I am not writing the question, okay? Because question is a little bit longer. So I am not writing the question. I am just writing the answer only. So this is 41 million. Now whenever the word million comes, you have to remember that in 1 million, there are 6 zeros. Okay? 1 मिलियन में 6 जीरोस होते हैं. मीन्स अगर मुझे 41 मिलियन लिखना है तो इट मीन्स मैं 41 लिखूंगी और उसके बाद 6 मोर डिजिट्स इस नंबर के बाद चाहिए मुझे. मीन्स इफ आई राइट हियर 41 मिलियन देन 6 मोर डिजिट्स आर येट टू कम इन दिस नंबर. ओके, सो 41 मिलियन 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 more digits are yet to come in this number. Now 41 million 414. So 414. Then 414,104 means 104. Okay, this completes our first part of C. Now in figures you have to remember that you also need to insert the comma. Okay students, so how we insert comma according to international system? Start from this side, leave 3 digits, insert a comma, leave 3 digits, insert a comma again. Okay, this completes our first part of C. Now students, I am doing one more part and then the rest you have to do at your home. If you find any doubt, then you can ask me. These are very similar questions. You have to do this at your home. Just try. Okay, I am doing one more part and the rest is homework for you. So I am just doing sixth part and the rest is homework for you. If you find any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay students, so sixth part is 16,444,000. So 16 million means just write here 16 and how many digits are yet to come? 6 digits, because in million there are 6 digits. So 16,444,000. So 444,777. So 777. Okay. Now insert the comma and this completes our sixth part also. So start from here, leave 3 digits, insert a comma, leave 3 digits again, insert a comma again. Okay. This completes our sixth part of this C question. Now today in this task we will learn A, B and C part of exercise 1.2. Means in this class what we did, we completed question number A, question number B and question number C. Okay students. Now question number D, E and F we will do in next class. Till then keep studying. Thank you.